How to re-add deleted or blocked friends on Snapchat regarding someone you deleted. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Tap your profile. Tap Add Friends. Step 2. Search by username, scan Snapcode, or use contacts. Quick. Add and wait for them to accept. Step 3. Tap Add and wait for them to accept. Regarding someone you blocked. Step 1. Tap your profile, settings, scroll to blocked section. Step 2. Tap next to their name to unblock them. Step 3. Go to Add Friends. Find their profile. Same as above. Step 4. Tap Add and wait for them to accept. What if you don't remember their username? Step 1. Go to Snapchat settings, My Data on the web. Step 2. Submit a request and download the zip file. Step 3. Open the Friends file, find the deleted friends list. Step 4. Use the usernames you find there to search and re-add.